Hey there. Lost your Schwab debit card or think it was stolen? Reporting it immediately stops fraud and triggers the overnight delivery of a replacement card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to report it. The fastest method is through the Schwab mobile app. Go to your checking account, find your debit card details, and select Report Lost or Stolen. You can also call Schwab's 24/7 client service at the number on the back of your other card or on their website. The agent will cancel the old card number instantly and order a new one sent to your address on file. My crucial pro tip? Use Freeze Card first if you're just unsure. If you think it's misplaced at home, freeze it in the app while you search. Only report it lost/stolen if you're certain it's gone for good. Reporting it triggers a card number change, which will break any automatic payments linked to the old card. That's how you take decisive, appropriate action to protect your cash. What's the most unusual place you've later found a lost card? Let me know in the comments. For more urgent how-to guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.